Think about the moments we spent. I just want you to be happy. When someone tries to touch your scars, it doesn't seem to cure at all. Nothing's gonna be any better. I love you every day. Let's take a walk. Please don't guarantee your joy. Nothing's wrong with crying every day. It's just sort of a thing in the world. I'll say you're the destiny. Please don't guarantee your joy. Nothing's wrong with crying every day. It's just sort of a thing in the world. I'll say you're the best moment. Be any better. I love you every day. Let's take a walk. Please don't guarantee your joy. Nothing's wrong with crying every day. It's just sort of a thing in the world. I'll say you're the destiny. Please don't guarantee your joy. Nothing's wrong with crying every day. It's just sort of a thing in the world. I'll say you're the best moment. 난 늘 생각해봐요. 내가 힘들 때 내 곁에서 날 지켜줬잖아. 이제는
친구 같은 거? 그런 거는 시간이 되게 오래 필요해. 그리고 쉽게 만나서 해결되는 거야. 신중하게 생각해.
아니 강아지야 강아지. 2살이야. 아직.